Oh my god, you guys. Okay, first of all, I don't even know who the heck do I think I am right now. I'm totally feeling my dominatrix vibe. Literally. I feel like I'm so sexy. But you guys, I'm so excited for today's video because I know OnlyFans has taken over the world, and I know a lot of people, actually a lot of my friends have joined OnlyFans. I actually know more people that have OnlyFans. It's honestly so crazy. But you guys, I am so excited because today I really want to break down what I think about OnlyFans. From being on social media and from seeing what people have thought about it and what have said about it, the people are divided on what they think is right and what they think is wrong about OnlyFans. I want to speak up because I do see a lot of people saying things like, would you guys date someone that has an OnlyFans? Now listen, I would definitely date someone that has an OnlyFans. Do you know what I mean? Because here's the thing, for me being someone that's in the industry and understanding the hustle life, listen, I'm all about the hustle and I'm all about a job does not define who you are. So I feel like people that are saying, oh, I would never date people that do OnlyFans and things like that, I get that. That's your opinion. That's what you are, you know, what you're not interested in and what you're not into. I get that. But I feel like there's a lot of people out there that actually are judging people that do OnlyFans. And I also want to say those are the people, I think there's a lot of them that secretly would love to do an OnlyFans. I'm getting off subject a little bit, but today we're going to talk about OnlyFans and what I think about it. You know, listen, OnlyFans has taken over the world. OnlyFans has been the career that a lot of people are doing. I mean, honestly, when it came out, it became so sexual. And I want to say this, I've spoken to the people of OnlyFans. I've actually been scouted out by them beginning of this year, and they actually wanted me to do OnlyFans, but it's something that I didn't really want to transition to and switch to. When it comes to OnlyFans, a lot of people are doing a lot of different things about it. But is it dominated by just being the porn star that people want to be? Is it also you managing yourself and making your business grow and making your business amazing and really honestly taking care of business? You know what I mean? Like, I feel like people that have OnlyFans that are very successful at it are really business people, they're hustle people, and they have nothing to be ashamed of. And I'm totally team OnlyFans. But the thing about the people that do not like OnlyFans, here's the thing, I get that and I understand if you date someone that has an OnlyFans, there are some things that kind of go with it, but it also comes down to that you really need to know what you're into, what you're okay with, what you accept. I've been with my husband for almost 8 years. I know, right? 8 years. The whole world knows I have a husband. And I honestly, look at me. I am one of the most, I mean, first of all, I believe in the hustle life. Second of all, I believe in making money. Third of all, I believe in making my own business. You know, when he found me, I'm a lot. Trust and believe, when my husband found me, I was like, whoa. What's going on? I'm dating a drag queen slash stripper slash makeup artist slash whatever, you know what I mean? So, and you guys understand my job backstage, and a lot of my queens can relate to me. Our job backstage, I'm flirty, I'm touchy, I'm very, I appear single. You know what that one saying from Coyote Ugly? You don't want to be available, but you appear available. I think I said that wrong, but it's something in that long line. So from someone coming from the hustle life, I do understand being judged. I do understand people kind of talking down on me on what I like to do for a living and what I am interested. Before I say this, I'm definitely pro hoe, pro queen, pro whatever you want. I believe in the hustle, and I think now this day and age that there's so many tools that you can use. And there's so many things that you can kind of have to really create your own business. You know, like, I mean, my Instagram and everything like that, it's a business. It's kind of my way of showing the world who I am and what I do. Now, the question is, do I subscribe to anyone in OnlyFans? No, I don't. And here's the thing. I personally, having a lot of friends on OnlyFans, I don't really want to see you. I don't know. I'm always around naked boys. I mean, I feel like a lot of people that do OnlyFans, they tend to really overly show everything on Twitter. So it does affect the business, but I think it also grows the business. You know, as a guy or a gay man or whatever you are, you know, when you're promoting yourself on Twitter, when you're promoting yourself online, you want to show the world as much as you can. That's how you're promoting yourself. You want to intrigue people to come in and invite them to come in to pay for your moment, to pay for your time. That's exactly what it is. Girl, if you really want to see a hot guy and you think he's so fucking hot and you want to know more about him, you gotta pay for it. These are workers and these are businessmen and these are businesswomen. You know, listen, when you go to a strip club, what do? You tip them. Like, you don't just sit there and just stare. I mean, if you do, then, oh girl, let's not do that. You know, when you go to a drag show, you tip them. You give them the goodies and you give them the flowers and you give them, you know, the money for your time and all that. So I totally get that. I mean, especially for me, living in a tip world, and you know, when you do a show at night, you don't know what you're gonna make. So I understand when you're gonna go have things like that, you want people to pay for your time. Now, I'm gonna say to all my friends, my only friends, only friends, to the people that don't agree with it and really want to shame people because they're doing it, is also, I feel like that's also really, really unnecessary. Yes, I understand that's something that you're not looking for, but I think it's very disrespectful for people to judge people for what they do for a living. In my household, I didn't grow up with a stripper mom, but for people that grow up with stripper moms and stripper dads and things like that, like, it's really not okay to judge people for what their parents or what they do for a, you know, a profession. You know, like I said, I'm not trying to say your opinions don't matter. I'm just saying kind of keep those to yourself, you know, because you never know who you're gonna hurt. I truly believe in the dark, the people that don't like it, that are very uncomfortable, and let me motherfucking tell you something. If you could sit there and make $1 million in a day, which I actually know some people that have done, you would definitely do it. Girl, let's not lie. Let's not be those motherfuckers, okay? Let's not be those people. If you're telling me right now, and I know some people that have done this, if you can make $1 million, $1 million, okay, you know, they'll take some money out. Obviously, OnlyFans takes like 10% or whatever the fuck they take. Would you, in the comments down below, would you or would you not? The things I would do. If I had an OnlyFans, I would shove in my situations. Is that too much for YouTube? I'm sorry. I mean, hello? I mean, girl, there's some crazy content out there, and I'm not gonna name any names, and I'm not gonna say anything like that, but I feel like when it comes to OnlyFans, you know, when you really are obsessed with someone, I believe in you pay for those times, you know what I mean, if that's their profession, and I get that. So this video is starting off great, and I really want to open you guys up because I know a lot of people that do OnlyFans, and actually I have a lot of friends that do OnlyFans versus queens. You know, I'm always around it. I get it. And listen, let me tell you, I've sat in a room, I've seen people been filmed, I've been in the situation, I get it. And it's just, I feel like for me, it's so professional. You know, one person comes in, the other person comes in, they say, hey, how are you? Let's film. And also when those appointments happen, it's good connections, it's good linking with each other. I don't know the average income yearly for an OnlyFans. I'm pretty sure they can make a decent living. And I know a lot of people are living very, very well, and I applaud them, you know, because listen, we need more things and ways to manage a business of your own. I feel like there's not enough, and I feel like there's so much money to be made. So why not, girl? Listen, bitch, I'm all about that. I mean, what's the difference of me on YouTube? I'm just saying. You guys, I am not gonna start an OnlyFans. I think my OnlyFans would be crazy. Like, it would be one of those things where, oh, the collaborations would be so sickening. I would literally gag. But have I been asked to do an OnlyFans? Yes, I have definitely been asked. A lot of actually people want me in drag, which is so crazy to me because, I mean, it's actually not that crazy because look how stunning I am. Would that not be so sickening and hot? Like, I mean, I would totally watch it. Like, honestly, I know a lot of my girls that have OnlyFans and they be doing the craziest things, like pulling their skirt down in public, spilling drinks on their chest area at the restaurant and start like acting a fool. Like, I mean, honestly, I would pay for that. Wow. Since I have a lot of friends that do OnlyFans, I was able to pull last minute videos from a few. I went ahead and asked a couple of questions that I think a lot of the public would want to know. Like, I've always wondered what it's like to date someone that does OnlyFans, you know, and I think it's hot. That's like hot. Why not? You know, like, I mean, I get it. I'm not a jealous person, but if you are a very, very jealous type and a jealous person, yeah, I would probably stay away from, you know, go-go dancers and strippers and OnlyFans and people in the hustle life. I mean, probably drag queens too, because I mean, we're around this stuff all day. So let's go check it out. Let's go ahead and see what they got to say.
Hello, you guys. What's up? It is us, me, Gus, Chrisella, Lola, and Pepe. We are here to answer some questions. Why did you start OnlyFans? For money. I was going through tough times in my life, and I just, you know, I was confronted with OnlyFans, and I began working and giving all of my effort into it, and I started noticing results, like money-wise. I went from making, you know, like 1,000 to making, you know, 3,000 to making 5,000 to making 15,000 a month. The next question is, what do you feel is the most positive and negative reaction to OnlyFans? That would be the most positive reaction. I think I got from it was just the money. I feel I got the chance to, you know, buy these expensive exotic birds and stuff, and I just helped my parents pay off the house and their car and stuff. It's been a really cool like experience. I've been to a lot of places, a lot of Lana Del Rey concerts. The most negative reaction, the way people look at you, sort of, I guess they look at you like some sort of sex symbol, and you know, they don't really have as much respect for you. But it's whatever, because the money, you know, outweighs that. Do you find it hard to date? Yes, I was gonna go into that, but I was gonna wait for this question. So it is hard to date because people don't want to, you know, associate themselves with someone that does that. I lost my relationship that I was in because of that. I started doing OnlyFans, selling my videos and stuff, and he found out, and so yeah, we broke up and stuff. I look at it now and I'm glad I did, because I've made so much money because of that. Who is your OnlyFans dream crush? My OnlyFans dream crush would be Austin Wolf. It was our honor to make this video for my friend Kimora. Sorry about my birds getting a little carried away.
Hey guys, Brock Banks here. So I want to tell you guys a little bit why I started getting into OnlyFans. I was kind of at a like weird spot in my life where I had this big career and I wasn't making the money I wanted to make, and I didn't see like my life progressing in the direction I wanted it to progress in. And sex work was something that I had done in the past, and it was something I didn't feel a lot of shame about. Even with that being said, I had a lot of reservations about stepping in front of the camera. And one day I just was like, fuck it. Like, I had a backlog of videos, right, that I could have used. That I never put out on the internet, and I just kind of went for it. And starting an OnlyFans account has changed my life in a huge way. Financially, also just like my mentality around sex and what other people think about me has changed so much. I'm super happy with what I'm doing. It's fun, it's sexy, it makes me money, and it's a pretty decent job for me. What are the most negative or positive reactions to OnlyFans? One really awesome reaction to OnlyFans is people seeing you out and being like, oh my God, I love you so much. Like, your videos make me like so happy. They're really sexy. I think you're super hot. Like, people giving you like all these great compliments that make you feel good. And also knowing that what you're putting out there is also helping other people get off in a way that's like even more intimate than other jobs I've had. One of the most negative things I can get on an OnlyFans is like people telling me I'm disgusting, I need church, I need God, you know, I'm a faggot, I should die of HIV, you know, like all these crazy, really nasty things. But honestly, they don't overwhelm me because I just have no patience for it. I just like keep it moving. I say if you have thick skin and you want to do this, just go for it. This is a good question. So, do I find it hard to date? I actually got super lucky. So like when I first started doing porn, I met a guy who also did porn at the time, and we fell in love. So I've had no experience with dating, barely at all, while I've been doing porn. So I don't have an answer for this question. It's like, I found the one for me. What is my OnlyFans dream crush guy? I got him in the bag. No, honestly, I think all the guys that I've been kind of obsessed with for a really long time, I filmed with at this point. So I don't have a clear answer. I think a bunch of new guys keep popping up, and I'm like, yes, this is great, this is great. So it's like never ending with the crushes. I don't really have crushes because I'm like in love. So it's just like, yeah, like I just want to get it in, just want to do, and then I'm out.
First of all, why did I get started with OnlyFans? I started because I like the fact that I can be the creator of my content, of what I put out, versus when I do porn, it's already somebody's idea. And I feel like I can connect more with my fans because they get to see what I like and what I'm into. And then of course, the fact that there's no middleman. It's directly my marketing, my money. What is the most positive and negative reactions that I've gotten from OnlyFans? Positive would definitely be from my subscribers and my fans. They can see and interact with me. That's probably been the most positive stuff, being able to connect with your fans. Negative, I don't think I've really had any negative outcome from it. Like my friends, my family, they all know what's up, so I'm an open book. I have nothing to hide, so nothing really negative. As far as dating, I don't really date just because that's not where my mindset is at. I've tried dating, but a lot of people in general usually tend to have an issue with the type of lifestyle that I have. I guess I wouldn't say a problem. They say they're okay with it at the beginning, but then when it comes down to, oh hey, I'm gonna go film with somebody, then the jealousy starts to kick in. But I don't mind it because at this point in my life, I'm more about my bag, and if you're gonna get in the way of my dreams, my goals, my money, then you're not the one for me. So that said, who is my dream crush from OnlyFans? For OnlyFans, somebody that I really want to work with and they only do OnlyFans, I think would be full-time papi, Diego Grant. So hopefully that happens soon. Go subscribe to my OnlyFans. You'll like it.
Oh my god, so shout out to my friends for giving me these last minute videos. I literally called them like honestly yesterday at last minute. I was like, oh my god, I want some videos. So make sure you guys go and check them out. I mean, my friends are gorgeous and they're stunning, and girl, honey, they shut it down. You guys, I am so excited that this video happened, you know, to kind of wrap it up. I think OnlyFans is a great opportunity for a lot of people, especially in this pandemic. I've never seen so many people do OnlyFans, and I get that. I know a couple of Drag Race girls. It's an amazing opportunity to make a business. It's an amazing opportunity to make a living. It's an amazing opportunity for people in the industry. When I say industry, I'm meaning entertainers, bartenders, you know, to make extra money and to manage their own business. And like, I don't see a deadline or a finish line for any type of business, and I always want to see it grow. And honestly, I think we need more. I feel like it needs like an Instagram OnlyFans mashup. It's crazy also because when it comes to Instagram and it comes to being like TikTok celebrities, I feel like there's OnlyFans celebrities as well. So what are your favorite OnlyFans? Do you subscribe to OnlyFans? Do you have a particular person that you love to see all the time? Who are some OnlyFans crushes? Like, who would you like, oh my god, he's the hottest or she's the hottest of ever? I want to know. I really want to know because I mean, I've just so been intrigued by it. That being said, I had so much fun doing this video. I mean, I hope I made you guys laugh. People that don't support OnlyFans, I get you guys, I get it. But I think it's sometimes wrong to kind of judge people for what they do. Because let me tell you, girl, I know a lot of people that have OnlyFans that have been in the most successful relationships, that are doing so well, and living their life, living their true life, and they're happy. And I always want to say, when you wake up every single day, can you tell yourself, can you honestly sit there and tell yourself that you love what you do? Because if you can't, baby, I would get a new profession. I would get a new career. I would do something, you know? And life is way too short to sit there and work for someone that you don't care for. Oh my god, I had so much fun. And thank you to my friends for the videos. Make sure you guys check out my friends on Twitter and OnlyFans. Their content is sickening. If you guys are new to my channel, y'all know, listen, I got 2 videos a week. I launch every single Tuesday and Friday. And then if you guys are coming back, I know this video is definitely different. I gotta get ready to go to a show right now. I'm literally late. But in the meantime, you guys have a fucking great weekend. And do something for yourself this weekend. You know, I know the pandemic and the year has been crazy. Go out there, go out and do something for yourself. Go treat yourself to a really good lunch. Go do something for yourself, because those times really do matter for yourself. And then when you guys get home, look up someone for OnlyFans. I love you, and I will see you guys next week.